So we've been sitting here for about, what do you guys say, like 20, 25 minutes now, and this train will not come to an end. Swear to God. Swear to God. These trains do this shit to piss people off. The never-ending train. I'm videotaping it. What the? I don't know if you can explain this shit, but people that have to get to work, this is fucked up. I swear they do this shit on purpose just to piss us off. This is bullshit. What the fuck? Oh my God. It's stopping. Are you fucking serious? Yeah. Stockton, California, bro. But just, what the fuck? Oh my God.